Welcome to my YouTube channel to listen week special beautiful romantic story based on true event. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Let's get started. The Serendipity of Souls. In the heart of a bustling metropolis, where the symphony of life played ceaselessly, resided a young woman named Anya. With her raven hair cascading down her shoulders and eyes as deep as the midnight sky, she was a vision of ethereal beauty. Yet, behind her serene facade, a longing for a kindred soul persisted, a yearning for a love as timeless as the stars. Anya was a dreamer, a poet at heart, who found solace in the written word. She spent countless hours lost in the pages of classic novels, her imagination taking flight with every turn of the page. One day, while browsing a quaint bookstore, she stumbled upon a peculiar volume, its cover adorned with an intricate, hand-drawn illustration. Intrigued, she opened the book and began to read. The book, titled Ephemeral Echoes, was a collection of short stories, each one a poignant exploration of love, loss, and the human condition. The author, a mysterious figure known only as the Silent Scrivener, had a way of capturing the essence of the soul, weaving words into tapestries of emotion. Anya was captivated by the author's profound insights and the delicate beauty of their prose. As she delved deeper into the book, she felt a strange connection to the author, as if their souls were intertwined across time and space. She wondered about the person behind the pen, the one who could so effortlessly evoke such powerful feelings. A desire to meet this enigmatic writer began to grow within her, a yearning to connect with someone who understood the depths of her own heart. Meanwhile, in a secluded cottage nestled amidst a tranquil forest, lived a young man named Ethan. A gifted musician, he spent his days composing intricate melodies and playing his violin, his music a reflection of his soul's deepest emotions. Like Anya, Ethan was a solitary soul, searching for a kindred spirit to share his dreams and passions. One day, while wandering through a nearby town, Ethan stumbled upon a small bookshop. As he browsed the shelves, his eyes fell upon a book titled Ephemeral Echoes. Intrigued by the title, he picked it up and began to read. The words on the page resonated with him on a profound level, as if the author had somehow tapped into his innermost thoughts and feelings. Ethan was mesmerized by the author's ability to capture the essence of human experience, to express the ineffable in words. He felt a deep connection to the writer, a sense of understanding and empathy that transcended the physical realm. A longing to meet this enigmatic figure grew within him, a desire to connect with someone who truly understood him. Fate, it seemed, had intertwined the lives of Anya and Ethan, drawing them closer together with every passing day. As they continued to read and reread Ephemeral Echoes, their bond with the author deepened, their hearts yearning for a connection that could only be fulfilled by meeting their elusive muse. One evening, as Anya was lost in thought, a sudden urge to visit the quaint bookstore where she had first discovered Ephemeral Echoes overcame her. She decided to take a walk, hoping to find solace in the familiar surroundings. As she strolled along the dimly lit streets, a soft melody drifted towards her, a haunting tune that seemed to echo the depths of her soul. Curiosity piqued, Anya followed the sound of the music, her heart pounding with anticipation. She rounded a corner and found herself standing before a small, unassuming cottage. The melody grew louder, and she could see a figure silhouetted against the window, their fingers dancing across the strings of a violin. Drawing closer, Anya peered through the window, her breath catching in her throat. The figure playing the violin was a young man, his face illuminated by the soft glow of the lamplight. His eyes were closed, his expression serene, as if lost in a world of his own creation. Anya recognized the melody, it was one of the themes from Ephemeral Echoes, a piece that had always resonated with her deeply. A surge of emotion washed over her, a feeling of recognition and connection that she had never experienced before. Gathering her courage, Anya knocked on the door. The music ceased, and a moment later, the door creaked open. Ethan stood before her, his eyes wide with surprise. As he gazed into her eyes, he recognized the look of understanding and connection that he had longed for. In that moment, time seemed to stand still. The world around them faded away, leaving only the two of them, their souls drawn together by an invisible thread. They spoke for hours, sharing their thoughts, dreams, and passions. They discovered a shared love for literature, music, and the beauty of the natural world. As the night deepened, they realized that they had found what they had been searching for all along, a kindred spirit, a soul mate. Their connection was profound, a bond forged in the realm of the imagination, a love born from the pages of a book. So this is the end of a beautiful romantic story. Hope you like it. We will meet in the next video. Stay tuned.